Do you ever feel like no matter what you do, someone's unhappy? Welcome to life, where making everyone happy is the toughest job in the world. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm a motivational speaker, an interior designer, an artist and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. You know, I used to be a people pleaser, always saying yes, always trying to keep the peace, always worrying, what will they think? Guess what? No matter how hard I tried, someone was still unhappy. And the worst part, I wasn't happy either. Then I heard this quote: the most difficult task is to make everybody happy. The simplest task is to be happy with everyone. Wait, what? It sounded too simple to be true. But then I tried it. Instead of breaking my back to make others happy, I just focused on my attitude. I accepted people as they were, didn't stress over things I couldn't control, and boom, instant peace. Here's how you can apply this magic formula in your life. 1. Accept that you can't please everyone. No matter what you do, someone will have an opinion. And guess what? That's their problem, not yours. Number 2, focus on being happy with others. When you let go of expectations and just flow, relationships become easier. Number 3, laugh more, stress less. Life's too short to be serious at all times. If you can laugh at things, you're already winning. Happiness isn't about controlling everything. It's about flowing with life, accepting people as they are, and choosing your peace over their approval. So, what will you choose? The difficult path of making others happy, or the simple joy of being happy with them? You know, happiness is a choice. Make it wisely. And yes, if this video has resonated with you, do share it with someone who needs it. Till next time, I love you. I believe in you. Keep smiling.